You got my line. I took a subscriber offshore on a jet ski, and it got messy fast.
What does?
The plan was simple. Catch some yellowtail, do a little jigging, and hopefully put him on a few fish. But before we even got started, things were already going sideways.
Está pesadísima esta payola. No te pegues tanto, cuidado con las varas.
He knew how to fish, just not really offshore from a ski. So before we even made it out, I was already helping him with a few things. Nothing crazy, just one of those starts where you know it might be a long day.
No es lo mismo que el puente. I just said it's not the same fishing from the bridge.
I got the first bite pretty quick, but that little momentum didn't last long.
That's a bite.
And then came the first tangle.
It's one of the problems of having company. Oh yes, the right kind. The right kind on the right size. First one. Ah! Man, jump back. What? Oh boy. Again.
I decided to hook his ski to mine because the way he was anchored, it was gonna keep happening.
Ya, te fuiste. ¿Qué más necesitas, coñazo?
Coñazo.
No está gigante, pero está buena. Tiene como 13. Esos yellowtails ven esa línea y se ríen de ti. Usa esta vara.
Agárrate ahora ahí.
Ya yo no sé cómo quitarte las excusas que te... Ya yo no sé qué hacer ya.
Eso no se quita.
Sube y da al mismo tiempo. Sube, pero rápido. Yo te vi haciéndolo un poco lento. Mira, ahí está. Ahí está. Vámonos. Ah, not the species I was looking for with that jig. I'm gonna put this thing away. Enough. Oh, a nice porgy. That's a really nice porgy. I got caught off again, man. 3 jigs that I've lost. Keeps adding up. Unfortunately, he hasn't gotten even one bite Not even one bite. It's not the same. I do this almost every week. This is the first time. It's not just the location. You definitely need to know what you're doing, especially offshore. Fichón, dijiste. Este es tuyo. It's a good fish, I think. Ah, otra vez, mano. 4 jigs. No, this is getting to me now. Otro para ti. Vamos, por la vergüenza, para el video. Voy a tener que pasarte la vara. Dímelo. Fichón, dijiste. ¿En serio? He said fichón, let's go see. ¿Qué tiene?
Una tuna.
Levántala.
No, la estaba sacando, imagínate que no.
Oh, sí, una tunita buena. ¡No!
Tú firmaste eso, ¿verdad?
Wow. Wow. Mira, dale reversa, mira la línea mía frente al jet ski. Tiene que ser reversa.
Ay, cojones, todo lo mío es enseñado.
Reversa, la agarraste. Apágalo. Voy. Ay, hombre. Wow, mira toda esa línea.
After that big mess, we're pretty much done.
Toma. Tira ahí.
¿Cómo que si, bueno, ¿qué preguntas eso? Muchas gracias,
Hermano.
hermano.